For machine learning or deep learning, these are the 8 steps you have to follow. Okay, so first one is like you need to know what is the goal you are trying to achieve. That is the first step. You need to have that clarity, like why you are going for it and what is the end outcome you're expecting. That one has to be very clear. That's the first step. And after that, you have to collect the data. It might be structured, semi-structured, or unstructured. So some of the steps are common for GenAI applications as well, but mostly like some steps will be eliminated, but most of the process is same. Like this flow is same. So you have to collect the data. After that, you have to clean the data, meaning like you remove some unnecessary information from that content, like missing values, duplicates, and etc etc. Then feature engineering, so you do the scaling. Let's say some values are in thousands and etc, like huge data, then you will do some normalization techniques, like you can convert that data in the range of -1 to 1. All these techniques you will do, that is comes under feature engineering, right? So and after that, model selection. Based on the given data, based on your requirements and other things, you need to select. There are multiple models are available, so you need to know like which one you have to figure out, like for so that's why. So once you understand your problem statement, right, for that particular problem statement, which algorithm suits best, so that is the next step. And after that, you have to train the model. So ultimately, we know the concept of machine learning, right? So you have some X data, you have some Y outputs, and based on that, have some functions, and you have to apply those functions to reduce the error, right? So and to optimize the results. That's the overall process. So you need to train the model in a way to minimize the loss. So some techniques are there, like MSE is there, cross entropy is there, like in terms of optimization, gradient descent is there, ADAM is there. So these things are the techniques you have to use. And most important thing is evaluation. How do you know which one, like this approach is doing good or not? So that's why for each category there are some metrics are there. Let's say for classification, there are precision recall, F1 score, all these things are there, so you can apply those formulas to get the metrics. And the most important step, like once you've done all these steps, if you want to deploy that, so it won't serve the purpose. So you have to know how to deploy it. And so let's say like maybe you converted some model, so you save that in TensorFlow Lite or something. Then so in that way, you need to know like how you have to deploy it. So these steps are common for GenAI also. Like some steps might be not needed, like meaning some minor steps might be removed, so rest everything is same. That's it. We'll see you in the next shot. Thank you.